Hey, you need a hand?
Yes, please.
Thanks, man. Hey, you reckon they'll let me play?
Of course, bro. Go get him for me.
Thanks, Ricky.
What up, Spoon? Who's that guy?
Raymond, I think? Think he's from over there. Never mind then.
No way. What up, our Spoon?
Little Bonnie, eh?
Ricky! So good to see you.
All right.
As you can see, this fella hasn't changed, no hey?
It's a good thing,
Hey.
customer.
And Auntie be happy to see you.
Yeah.
Favourite and all.
She here
Oh, yeah, she's been here since this morning setting it up.
for her own birthday.
If you want it done right,
Auntie does it.
that's the one.
Got some home cool in the car for us.
No. We're going to go and do this porphyry first and then you can do whatever you want.
Ooh, that one of those electric cars, Ricky.
Yeah, your boots look cleaner.
Ah, the ego.
Boy, you know you could never sneak up on me. Oh, good boy. Very good. Nice try, Ricky boy.
How?
I'm magic. Now go wash your hands and help out. There's a lot to do.
Okay, Auntie.
I'll just leave you to do the rest.
Auntie.
Good boy, darling. You got this.
Say hey, mauri ora.
Oh, put your hands down a little bit. Chest up. That's it. Hey, Mauri ora.
Say hey, mauri ora.
He could thrive here.
I know, sis, but this is a massive opportunity for us.
You mean for you?
That hurt, why?
I'm sorry, Sally, but I love that boy. And he is showing so much promise. Ricky could really be the future. Why don't you leave him with me?
I can't.
Never forget where you come from, Ricky, and never forget who you are. Go wash your hands and help out. So repeat after me, te whānau. Wahine.
Wahine.
Pai pai.
Pai pai.
Pao,
Pao.
glad you could make it, Ricky. Waharoa.
How does she do that? Magic, bro. Magic.
No matter who you are or where you're from, Tikanga connects us all. Tātou tātou. Together we grow.